G'day YouTubers, how you all going? My name's Wilfred, West Wilfred's PC World, Lakeside Cottage and Loch, Victoria, Australia. Today's date is the 19th of the 10th 2014, and as I was going for a walk this afternoon I come across a couple of interesting birds. Hope you liked the video, and all comments are welcome. You enjoy. I've been trying to move up on this right crane to get it to fly, and when it did, it was not a bad shot, I'd say. There she goes, or he. Beautiful, isn't it? Anyway, my name's Wilfred, West Wilfred's PC World and Lakeside Cottage and Loch, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. You all have a great day now.